What is up, you guys? Today's video we're going to be talking about Netflix, and this channel is all about growing your portfolio, right? We're talking about making money, and let me just zoom in to show you guys my portfolio here on Robinhood and exactly what I'm going to be doing for pretty much in the next month or two, what I'm going to be looking at to buy and invest. I always like investing in the opportunities, and what we like to do in this channel is make money, of course. So what makes money the most out of everything is long-term investing. You can't go wrong. Buying great companies that are generating money year after year, increasing net profit as well. And this channel is all about it. We're not here to gamble our money. We're here to win, almost nearly guaranteed. How is that? Buy the dips. And always you can sell a little bit at the all-time highs and stuff like that, especially if the stock is overextended. And you can double your money very, very easy doing this. And I'm gonna just show you guys here in 1 year. We have currently 47% increase in the stock portfolio. And yeah, year after year it's going up. And this year I'm gonna try to be a little bit more aggressive. I'm gonna try to aim for 75%. Year to date, last year it was like 52. And I'm just showing you this 1 year because we're in January. But let's talk about Netflix, because that's the opportunity that I want to talk to you guys about, right? So we are gonna go to Webull here, and this is what I use to chart all of my stuff. So let me show you guys here. And I'm gonna be buying like $200,000 worth of shares of Netflix. And it's playing out perfectly, like exactly how I said in my previous video. And if you're new to the channel, all this info is free, so hit that subscribe, and let's all make money together, because it does not affect me whatsoever, and I want everybody to be making money. So what is this? This is the Fibonacci chart that I like to use. I'm going to zoom in for you guys here real quick. All right, so this is a Fibonacci chart. As you can see, it's pretty accurate. It's one of the best tools I use for long form investing. So you can see this is the support, resistance, and this is on the daily chart. Hit support here, right? Hit resistance, pulled back a little bit, broke resistance. So you know the new level is here. You can kind of see it hits resistance here, breaks through this one, and now it's in this channel, sideways. And this is an opportunity zone that I've placed to buy my shares, right? So let me zoom out a little bit for you guys here. And this is exactly where I'm looking to buy shares, in this zone. So it's at $82 all the way down to $67. This is my area where I think we're going to be hitting, and probably the next following kind of weeks or so. So Netflix has been on a downtrend, but they make so much money year after year, and I can show you guys exactly proof of that. Because as for me, for example, I've owned my own Amazon business, and I just sold it recently, and I've learned about reading balance sheets, cash flow, and things like that over time. And Netflix, every year you just see it increase as far as net profit and things like that. So let me actually show you guys some proof on that, because it's easy to talk about it, but if I actually can show you some proof, then you would be more convinced in this exactly. So let's show you here. So we're on Robinhood, right? And this is a quick way to do it. So we're gonna go Netflix. Wait, actually, Google Finance, and then put Netflix, right? Google Finance is like the easiest way to see it. So we go here on Google, and then what I like to do is look at the income statement. Look at this. Look at the annual income statement. All right, the blue stick is just gross revenue, and the yellow is what they're actually taking home. So you can see the net profit increases every year. So net profit, 2022, they got a little bit less, and then 2023, 5 billion, 2024, 8.7 billion, and they just bought HBO. So I mean, they're a powerhouse. So any opportunity you see, it's just worth it. Like, this is exactly a chart that I like to invest in. And we're gonna go back here also on Webull, right? And let me show you guys. So this works really well for me here. All this stuff works really well. You might be like, oh, this is just random lines and stuff like that. Well, I've bought in, let me show you guys some stocks that I've bought in. So this is Tesla, right? And I chart these blue charts, these blue boxes every time before it even hits. So you can see I have it here. This is my buying zone. This is my buying zone. It broke below that, so my buying zone was here, but I was adding shares here. I added shares in this position. I was gonna add shares here if it hit below. I'm holding Tesla as well. Meta is another one that I've actually bought really low. Let's see here. It was my buy area here. I do think, you know, if we get some tariff news and stuff like that, we can hit very low here, but I do, you know, Meta is a great company as well, so for investing. But I bought a lot of shares right here, right when it broke this support. I broke, and it looks like it's going to come down again. Might just go down aggressive. I do think, you know, honestly, I think March, April, we're going to have tariff news or something, you know, and we're going to be able to buy a lot of dip opportunities. That's my call on it. So the stocks I'm really watching that have a lot of opportunity right now, NFLX is one of them. It's the biggest downside. And like, all right, so we go here from the all-time highs all the way to the low. It's 38% to up to 50%, right? If you look in the past here, people wonder, oh, it can't go that possibly low. But if you go here in the past, and this was in 2022, it went from $70 all the way down to $16, which was a 75% decrease. So there is very high possibility that we even see 67 if it's like really bad momentum and things like that. And it's just a great opportunity to buy, hold for a couple years if you want to sell it, or just keep running it. So that's my play for NFLX. I'm really going to be buying a lot of shares on this, and hopefully you are too. And if you want me to talk about any stocks, leave it in the comments down below. And I appreciate any comments that you guys leave. This is kind of a new channel where I'm trying to grow it. So subscribers, I really appreciate any subscribers liking this video, everything like that. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.